Hey everyone, I hope that you are enjoying your holiday so far. Right now I'm in the south of France. The weather is great, the roads are really nice, and the view is just amazing. This is so beautiful, so let's go for a ride. When I was riding alongside the sea, I saw in the background of the landscape that there was quite a lot of mountains, and my thought was, why not just go and climb one of those mountains with my mountain board and see how amazing the view could be up there. So this is what I am going to try to do, but this is quite difficult as most of those roads are filled with houses that completely blocks the view. So for now I either have a row full of houses like here, or a dead end where it leads to nothing. So right now the view is quite blocked, and I think my motors are quite struggling to go uphill right now.
From me, I need you to stay right there. I'm coming right away, my dear.
Shit, I'm losing power. My ESC is hitting a boiling point right now of 80 degrees, and it's really thermal throttling itself to not overheat to 100 degrees where it will just cut off. So my ESCs are at their limit right now. It can't push more, but the view is amazing. We really have a nice view up here. So the problem is it's quite a steep hill here on the mountain, and with this rocky surfaces and this with a lot of sand, my wheels are just free spinning in the sand, wasting a lot of energy. So I think I've hit a boiling point of where my board is not going forward anymore. It's probably going to come at a stop. It's not that my board is not powerful to handle this. I have really great 6374 motors, and my gearing ratio is quite nicely set up for to have a lot of torque, but with this heat of 30 degrees and this uphill battle against rocks and sand, my board isn't handling it very well. But boy, it's definitely worth the view. So yeah, right now it's at 70 degrees. I just need to let my ESC settle down a little bit before continuing. And yeah, look at this view. This is just amazing. We can see the whole city behind right there, and we shall have a really nice sunset in a few minutes. So yeah, this view is just breathtaking, and this is quite a nice road where there won't be any cars. And so this is just for myself. This is really nice. This is probably one of my best esk8 trips so far.
Try this.